Hello, I have been just given the test of chemical kinetics and I scored my rank 1 out of 55 and my marks is 28 out of 40 with 7 correct, 0 incorrect and 3 unattempted questions just because 8 minutes is time for to solve the 10 questions. So here it is first question, you can solve by pen and paper. This is very easy for you as well. Second question for third order reaction initial. This is very easy, like r1 is equal to 2 to the power 2a to the power 3, that becomes 8 aq. It becomes aq is becomes r and 2 to the power 3 is becomes 8. So this is the answer. The half life period of first order reaction is 60 minutes. How long it will take for 75% completion? For 75% completion time, it will take twice the time of t 50%. That means 120 minutes for a first order reaction. For the reaction A to form B plus C, the energy profile diagram is given in the figure. The decrease in energy of activation of the presence of catalyst is. So whole total energy Z minus P is the decrease in energy of the by using in the presence of catalyst. So second is the correct option. Fifth number question, the given plots represent variation of concentration of reactant R with time T for two different reactions first and second. The respective orders of the reactions are ln R versus time R versus time. So this first question is like ln RT is equal to ln R naught minus kt, and minus k becomes slope and ln R naught becomes intercept. So first order reaction. And here the second figure, RT is equal to R naught minus KT, and minus K becomes slope and R naught becomes intercept. So this is zero order reaction. So second option is the correct answer. Sixth question, identify the order of reaction and unit of rate constant of the following rate expression. Rate is equal to K, this much. Okay. So first you find like order of reaction is like 3 by 2, 1.5 minus 1, that means 1.5 minus 1, it becomes 0 0.5. 0 0.5 means 1 by 2. So fourth option is the correct, as well as unit is also correct. If you solve that, I solved that, I found that correct. The specific rate constant of a first order reaction depends upon the, actually here question is saying a specific rate constant, that means any kind of rate constant, they do not depend on concentration of product reactant time, they depends only upon the temperature. So here it is correct. 8 number, consider the reaction. Yeah, this is very easy question. If you solve that, yeah, it's very easy. The decomposition of NH3 on platinum surface is zero order reaction. If K is equal to this much, the rate of production of H2 is, yeah, this is easy question. Only when if you know like NH3 in the presence of PT and it forms N2 plus 3H2, then this is easy. And the 10 question is this.